lot of intensity. So we should bring that back out. We see the ice to break. That's what I'm touch my boats. As long as those water's coming in, we just need a little bit of area for the boat to float. Toss me that seat. Yeah, toss me a seat.
I tried to put it on right now, and I want to make it all right.
Nephew watching. That's Max, the nephew.